Hi, welcome to filament review of the Eryone Rainbow filament. Rainbow filament from Eryone. I'm Scott, welcome to School of YT. So yeah, I got this roll from Amazon. It's a rainbow transition roll from Eryone. It's a nice PLA silk material. I bought it with my own money, so this wasn't sent to me for review or anything like that. So I just thought I'd go over a few of the things, well, all the things that I've pretty much printed with the filament. I mainly bought it for when I was at the 3D Meetup UK last weekend, which was the 18th, 19th of May 2019, where I printed these two vases, which were by Martin, which is BritHawks3DP on Twitter. He just designed these for me to print out while I was there. So basically, I'll go through it, but it's a nice filament. It does print extremely well. So basically, it's a transition roll, so it transitions through the colours. They're 15-metre lengths of colour before you start getting a transition. So you need to either print like a vase, you need to print quite tall, quite large, or you need to print something with a lot of like infill or such to be able to get those transitions in it. But they are printed well. So these two vases was printed on my Anycubic Predator in vase mode while I was down at the 3D meetup. This was the first one, so obviously it started with the blue, went into the green, and then up to the yellow. Or yeah, yellow, gold, whatever. So then this one was next. So this one went from the yellow up to the reddy, purpley sort of colour. So yeah, those are two vases that BritHawks3DP designed and let me have for the weekend. This was the next print on the Predator that I did. It's a 3D scan of my wife that we got done while we were at the meetup. All this under extrusion is not the filament. It's from my Anycubic Predator. But other than that, it came out really nice. Nice colour transitions from the purple to blue to the green again. And it is a really nice filament. But because I had the under extrusions, I changed over to another filament, just to make sure it wasn't changed over to another printer, which was my Ender 3. Just to make sure it wasn't the actual filament that was causing me the issues, to which I then printed Chelsea from Chaos Cortex Unicorn for my youngest daughter. So it started off with the gold and went into like a bronze, pink, and then purpley blue, which came out really nice. It's got a nice shine to it, as you can see from the video. It's a nice silk colour. So, but because I printed out for my youngest daughter, my other daughter wanted an owl. So, as you can see at the top of this one, it just started to get a bit blue. So it continued with the blue on the owl, went up through the log and then into the gold for the head. But this come out really well on the Ender. 0.2 layer height with a 0.4 nozzle, and it's really nice, real nice, shiny, clean colour. So we got that, and then my youngest son wanted something, so I did the 3D Professor's low poly Tyrannosaurus Rex. So that started off with the gold, went transitioned into the red, and then finally into the blue. And this come out really nicely again on the Ender 3, it's a real nice filament. But I have found, with talking to a few other people, that each roll is not the same. By the looks of it, they seem to just run through a batch of colours. So when they make a batch, they start at one colour, and then whatever colours they do afterwards, it just goes onto the roll. There's no real consistent recipe. So you may buy a roll and it'd be completely different colours to what I've got here. That's the only thing that I've worked out from seeing a few other people using it. They've got like darker colours in there, or they've got different transitions from their roll and such. But these 6 models were all from that one roll. I didn't have any fails or anything. So yeah, that's 1 kilo of filament. But no, if you want to try some rainbow filament, I'd definitely recommend the Eryone Rainbow filament. It's not cheap, but it's not pricey. I think I paid £26 UK for this. I think it's about $26 if you're in America, straight from Amazon. They also now do a lagoon one, which goes from like a brownie colour and transitions. They also do like a steampunky one, which is quite nice. I haven't got those yet, but yeah, these are this roll was really nice. It had some nice colours, nice transitions, and I'm pleased with it. Come out really nice. So I recommend, if you want to try a rainbow filament, go and try Eryone's. That's my recommendation is this. So thanks for, not really much else I can say. So thanks for watching, and if you liked the video, hit the like button. If you're new, subscribe, hit the bell, and I'll catch you in the next one. Take care.